Morning, children. I welcome you all to the math class. I'm your teacher Priyanka Raj Bhandari with a new topic today. Okay, so before proceeding to the class, let us see the day and date. The day is Wednesday and the date is 10th of November 2021. So children, we are in the second week of November now. So let us see what we are going to do today. So in today's class, we will do chapter 10 from your maths book. The name of the chapter is time measurement. Okay, so you can see how you can measure time. Yes, you can see the time or you can measure the time with the help of a clock or a watch. So in today's class, I will be introducing the chapter and we will do exercise 57, 1, 2 and 3, which is in page number 158 and 159. So children, what is this? You know what is this? It is a clock. And what is the use of a clock? The use of a clock is, yes, it says us about time. It tells us about correct time. Yes. Do you know how to see watch? Okay, if you know, that's very good. If you don't know, don't worry. In this class, you will learn to look at the clock or you will learn to watch the time. So children, in the clock, there are there are three hands. One is like moving all the time, that is your second hand. But here we will deal with two types of hand, which is very important. The long hand, which is blue in color, you can see there's a long hand which is blue in color. It is called the minute hand. It tells us about minute. And the short hand is known as hour hand, which is pink in color. It's an hour hand. Okay. So hope hour hand and minute hand is clear to you all. So let us see the time. Okay, so the first clock, you can see in the first clock, the short hand is in 3 and the long hand is at 12. So we will call it 3 o'clock. Yes, if the long hand is in 12, we will call it o'clock, 3 o'clock. Or in the next image, you can see 8 o'clock because the shorter hand is in 8 and long hand is in 12. Yes. So in third image, you can see 10 o'clock. The short hand is at 10 and long hand is at 12. So looking at the hands, we can see the time. Now in the first clock, you can see short hand is it is moved just aside of 6. Yes, it is going towards 7 and the long hand is on 3. So you can tell this is 15 minutes past 6 or you can say quarter past 6. Can you say other name? Can you say other time? Looking at other clock? Yes, that is 15 past 3. Yes, or you can say a quarter past. When you have seen in previous clock that there are 12 numbers, see, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 numbers. So you can see that if the minute hand is at 1, you have to tell 1 into 5 minutes. You have to add 5 minutes, or you can say you have to tell the multiples of 5. So if the minute hand is in 1, you have to say 5 minutes past the hour hand. Okay. 2, if it's in 2, that will be 2 into 5, 10 minutes. 3, that will be 3 into 5, 15 minutes. So it will keep on repeating. You have to add 5 plus 5 plus 5, otherwise you have to say the multiple of 5. So if it is in 10, you have to say 10 into 5 minutes. That is 15 minutes. Okay, so the minute hand will show how many minutes has been passed. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. So children, in today's class we will do exercise 57 as I have already told you. So let us see briefly what is in exercise 57. So number 1, you have to write the time shown by the clock. Okay, number 2, you have to write the time shown by the clock in number 2 also, and in number 3 you have to draw the hands on each clock face to show the time. So now without any delay, let us proceed to our class and let us start doing the exercise. So children, here you have to write the time shown by the clock. Okay, so let us try the first one. You can see that the shorter hand is on 5 and longer hand is on 12. So what will be the time? I have already taught you this. The time will be 5 o'clock. You will write 5 o'clock. Okay, next, the shorter hand is on 7 and the longer hand is on 12. So what will be the time? Very good. The time will be 7 o'clock. Now next, number C, you can do it yourself. Yes, you can see the shorter hand and longer hand and you can write the time. Now next, children, I have told you that if for each number you will keep on adding 5. Okay, so you can see that the shorter hand is on between 1 and 2 and you have to see long hand. Long hand is here 6. Yes, it is between 6 and 7. So you know that 5 6 are 30. Yes, because it is in 6, we have to multiply 6 with 5 because we are adding 5 for each hand, each number. So 5 6 are 30 plus 1 2 and 3. So 30 plus 3, so that will be 33. So what you will write? You will write 33 minutes past 1. 33 minutes past 1. You will write your time like this. Understood? Next, let us do number B, children. You can see that it is in 7. So 7 5s are 35. Longer hand. Yes. So it is between 10 and 11. Yes. So it hasn't reached 10. So what you will write? You will write 35 minutes past 35 minutes past 10. In this way you will write the answer. Now number C, children. The longer hand is in 4. So 4 5s are 20 and shorter hand is on 7. So you will write 20 minutes past 20 minutes past what? Yes, 20 minutes past 7. So hope this is clear to you all. So children, I have done A, B, C for you. D, E, F, you can do it yourself. 8, here you can see 15 past 8. Otherwise, you have to write 2 times. Okay, one I will be doing for you. This is 15 minutes past 8 because shorter hand is on 8. Or you can write quarter past 15. You can write past 8. You can write quarter past 8. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. So E and F, please do it yourself for your homework. Now next, children, in page number 159, we have to make the hands of the clock as shown as the given time. So first we will make the center of the clock. Try to make the center of the clock 7 o'clock. So the shorter hand will be at, yes, shorter hand will be at 7 and the longer hand will be at 12. Very good. Longer hand will be at 12. 10 o'clock, very easy. 10 o'clock, shorter hand will be at 10. Yes, very correct. 10. And the longer hand will be at what? Longer hand will be at 12. Yes. So in the same manner you will do for 4 o'clock. Now let me try number D. 5:15. So 5:15, you know that 3 5s are 15. If you divide 15 with 5, you will get 3. Yes, because 5, 10, 15. Yes, so let us make the center of the clock. Our long hand will be at 3 and the short hand will be near by 5. It will just little bit cross the 5. So it will make 5:15. A quarter to 10. Quarter to 10 means it is about to reach 10. Okay, quarter to 10 means 45 minutes ahead of 9. Okay, it has not reached 10. So the shorter hand will be slightly near between 9 and 10. It will be nearby 10 because it is about to be quarter to 10. So quarter to 10 means your longer hand will be in 45 minutes. That will be 9. 9 5s are 45. Quarter means quarter to. Quarter past means it will be in 3. And quarter to 10 means it will be at 9. Hope this is clear to you all. So it will be, your clock will look like this, nearby 10 and the longer hand will be at 9. So number F, you will do it yourself. Okay children, hope whatever we have done today is clear to you all. Try to watch the clock and try to see the time again and again if you are not sure. Okay, so I will see you all in the next class. Thank you everyone.